Day 18 of Helene recovery in the Green River Cove. The power was restored last night, at least for my community and my neighbors that actually still have homes. I am going to be working on my next phase now. Most of the community work is done. Yeah, hallelujah. Thank you for all the help. Um, I still gonna have a long ways to go to full recovery and rebuilding. I want to give a major shout out to Jake Jarvis of Precision Grading. Huge, man. This guy's going out there the extra mile for the whole community. He's really going crazy, donating a lot of time, use of his equipment and such. That's huge. You want to give a local company some love, give it to him. Also, John Grace and the Green River Ranch. If you want to see the Green River Cove, you want to watch the leaves change, it'll be huge if you support him. I want to make sure that he's okay and he keeps going. He's a great neighbor and we want to keep him. Hell, he's part of the family. Now, here's a little. You need grading work and you're around Saluda, Polk County, North Carolina, that's the guy to go. He's the hometown boy, and he's definitely supporting the community. I am going to need a lot of help moving stuff. Today it's going to be very liquid. I am working out where I'm going to put things. I need to get everything out of here in the next 48 to 72 hours. I am going to be relocating probably up on top of the mountain. I have an obligation to support and work for my local election commission. I plan to honor it, even though I had no idea the storm was coming. If I get a little love, that would make it easier. I also know one of my favorite first cousin. Okay, I got a lot of favorite first cousins, but one of them's coming to see me today. That's going to hugely lift my spirits, and he's really good at logistics, so I think it's going to be a really wonderful day. Anyway, I love you guys. I will try to give you some more updates, and maybe I'll get a little philosophical about materialism, lack thereof, and maybe some other crazy things like I kind of do on my wanderings in Latin America usually. If you got ideas, you got thoughts, put them in the comments. Try to keep it classy. It's not easy being gritty. Love you guys. Peace out for now. 18 days recovery. I really need a break too, just like everybody else. And I think working the polls is going to help.